Do you want your PC to say this to you every time it starts?
Welcome, Flint.
Today, I'll show you how to make Windows greet you just like in the movies. First, open Notepad, press Windows+R. Copy the script from descriptions. If you want your PC to call you by name, just edit the word Hasen in 2 places and type your own name. Here is the first, just change it with your name. And here's the second, change that too. If you open your PC in the morning, it'll say, good morning. And if it's in the evening, it'll say, good evening. Save this file as startup.vbs. Be sure to choose all files instead of text document. Here is the VBS script created. Press Windows+R, type shell, startup, and press enter. Drag your script into this folder. Now it runs every time you turn on your computer. Now drag it into this folder. Now restart your PC and hear your personal AI assistant greet you. That's it. Your computer now talks back. What should it say to you? Something cool or something completely ridiculous? Let me know in the comments. And if you like this sci-fi startup trick, hit like and subscribe. More hidden Windows tricks coming up.